What? Ready to defeat the Narrows. Or at least just to make it to the Great Wall and to get it.
How come Michael never does play though?
Yeah.
Meet Zion's most dangerous predator, the fat, zesty squirrel. Obese, aggressive, and trained in the dark arts of picnic assault.
Quick short shot.
No? Yes, at the entrance. Yeah, they were gonna prepare a little bit down there.
Okay, rental is a good idea.
Crocs would have cut it.
Yay!
Beginning of the Narrows.
Yep. They always ask you not to feed the squirrels here. But how about if the squirrels come and rob you? You can't do anything about it. Yeah.
Come on down. No, we're going to the Zion Narrows. I'm a little nervous because I'm not sure what to expect, but it should be all even, level ground. We just have to tread through a little bit of water. Hopefully it won't go too high because I'm a little shrimp, so we'll try to get some footage as we cross if it's not too dangerous, right?
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's go. Slippery rocks. Ooh. Oh, look how awkward.
Yes, you do, Juliet. Yes, you do.
Not too bad, actually. It feels nice. The cold water.
Yeah.
It's so hot, too. But the cold, I feel like the wooden sticks would actually provide more.
On this corner, we found some nice Chinese paparazzis. Enjoying the day. We got a sea slug over here.
Shut up! Okay, let's go. We can do this. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse than that. Yeah. That's okay. It's way better than
There's like a little jacuzzi and shooting.
like, hey, are you out right now? Like a jacuzzi. Yeah, go ahead and walk on the water. Like, you know those water beds, but for your feet. Yeah.
We don't take it all with one of our oyster.
So we can just drain it.
You could drink it.
Drain. Like, you can drink it. Drink it?
Yeah, drink it. It's good. Good foot water.
Oh.
Have it?
This is the branch Mufasa was holding on to. Oh, Simba.
Awesome.
Highly recommend that.
There's a waterfall right there.
Oh, yeah, we're literally only a quarter of the way in, but very cool so far. Interesting. Exciting. No, it's a very kind of a novel experience, treading in water. It's nice. Yeah.
Maybe a little water. It's like the water garden stop.
I feel like even if we do voiceover, at least I can hear what I was saying so I can know what to say.
Yeah.
Right there.
A mini waterfall right there.
That waterfall is better than the one at Emerald Arrow.
What is it? This waterfall would look a lot better if this guy wasn't just bending over in front of it. We all saw that, Yin. We all saw you fall.
I don't know if this is the kind of place. This is not the place.
I know, I saw like a lady like
She was doing it?
The rapids that are getting really, really intense around this area. It's like really hard to tread up water.
we're walking in like the hardest place.
Hey look, it's Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. Moses. Park this brown sea.
Deep, right?
Just backstroke out of it.
Looks like
So far, the difficulty level, I would say 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10.
I
What
thought
would
it was
you-
9.5 out of 10.
Oh,
You're so athletic.
it's because you're weak.
nice goal.
Fitness is life.
What would you rate this?
What?
A difficulty level.
I think we have to.
Not like that, the
3 or 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Not that difficult.
Also, the water's not too high today.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so.
lucky.
Yeah. Look over, keep looking down to make sure I'm stepping in the right place. It's so beautiful when you look up. Oh, I actually really like it right here. Ooh, hi. How far have we gone? At least 2 miles, maybe?
Probably a 2 mile mark.
Ah, it's so gorgeous over here.
You always got to be on the lookout for the Zion Ravers.
We need a rock for you to climb on.
Come on, let's do like this.
Oh shit, trip me out!
Just figure it.
It's a Jedi night. Jedi at the Narrows. Is this too easy for you?
Oh, I love it. Well, I like to take the difficult path.
I like to take the easy path.
That's cool. Okay.
Yeah, people behind me.
Oh, yeah. 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 Also, that's brown. Is that better? Go over there, actually.
que no está igual como mojado en mis piernas.
You recording this whole time? Is it hard to record and do this? A little bit?
No.
No?
How you doing back there?
I need my walking sticks.
Decker cane for sure. We're at the fork right now, so we can either go back or head towards the hang left and then we'll hit Wall Street.
What? I kind of want a picture. A cool one. Is this side better or this side?
Huh?
Is this side better or this side?
It looks cool. I don't.
Huh?
I don't.
Hey, that's Bob.
Hey, how far is Wall Street from here?
This just started.
Do you know how long the hike is for there?
We just take it till we want to stop and we'll turn around.
Is it?
We're 2 hours in.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is Wall Street.
This is the beginning of Wall Street. You guys made it.
Whoa. So it took us 2 hours to get in here. It's already 5 by the time. I don't know how much longer we go. But
I think they're ready to head back. What do you guys feel like?
The waterfall right over there.
Huh?
Did I not see the waterfall right after the bed?
Anton, is there another waterfall up there? That side, right? It's tiny?
Go left.
The waterfall on this side is pretty small.
Where?
It's like this side.
I think if you
Oh,
want to
go
keep
left.
going, then go. But some people might want to go back.
Go left.
No, yeah, but it took us 2 hours to get up here. It's 5 o'clock right now. We keep going,
Alright, we'll go back.
and then we go back. The sun's pretty dark.
Okay, we'll go back.
Lighting is, yeah.
What's up, Tommy? What's up? What'd you think of this hike?
It's nice. It's a lot easier. The angels for sure. Equally as rewarding.
Yeah.
Would do again. 10-10.
What do you think of this hike?
Awesome. Beautiful.
Did you see any Yetis or anything like that?
No.
What is this one right here? Bow staff master. Show me your moves.
This is the legendary monkey king of Maya.
Let him know. Let him know. Bow staff.
Donatello of Maya.
Nice. Woo.
You gotta do wheels.
The Jedi Knight of the Narrows.
Dark Fiesta.
Yes. Conquerors are here.
Wait, let me do an epic shot right here.
Is it good?
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Is it a good one?
There's a stick for everybody.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to get whacked with, Sana?
Nice community, right? Like,
Pick your stick. It's like before when they beat the
I want
axe.
the big sticks.
It's like, no, it's like before when our dads used to beat us up. Like, go get the weapon to hit you later. Like, Dad, I got this
Actually, the thinnest one was small.
Yeah.
This is what my parents used to do. They used to go, pick out the stick we're going to beat you with.
I want this one.
I want this one.
What?
It was good. Like a beef good shot. Wrap one.
Make like a video and mix like dipping into.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, that big dip energy.
So good.
I can't hear you.
Cut into it.
No, thank you.
Where's my candle with my burrito?
I don't know, but there's a knife on it.
Yeah. What the part where I even opened it?
Oh, back to you.
Back to you. Editing. Leave it to
Oh yeah,
editing.
I was like, where are you going? Anyway, looks good.
Last breakfast, goodbye Zion. Like and subscribe if you like steak and bacon.